up, YouTube? If you don't know by now, I go by L'Oreal, and today I'm going to bring you a different kind of video. It's not going to be like a wash and go video. It's just going to be kind of like an informative video. A lot of people don't know these beauty secrets or beauty hacks, so I am going to go ahead and inform you how to get free makeup, how to get different products. If you would like this video, give it a fat thumbs up and keep on watching. Alright, so the first beauty hack I am going to talk about is going to be Sally's Beauty Supply. Sally's Beauty Supply, you can exchange almost anything. The only thing that you can exchange will be like hair extensions, earrings, things like that. If you have any shampoos, conditioners, makeup, nail polish, and if you don't like it, if you take it home, you use it, say a shampoo or a conditioner, and it doesn't do right for your hair, you can take it back for a full refund within the first 60 days. If it's 75% used, you can exchange it for anything. So basically, if you have no receipt, you can get it exchanged for something better. If you have the receipt, you can get a full refund. I love Sally's Beauty Supply Store because you go to these retailers and you buy all of these products and you don't really use them. You may use them once and you never use them again because you don't like the product. So your product stash just keep getting bigger and bigger. So I would say definitely shop at Sally's Beauty Supply Stores because you can exchange it. If I don't like the Shea Moisture hydration line, but I do like the Shea Moisture low porosity line, I can change that for the low porosity line with no problem. All right, and then the second beauty secret that I am going to explain with you guys is going to be the Sephora. A lot of people don't know that you can leave out of Sephora with a bag full of makeup for free. And I'm going to tell you how. Sephora will give you samples. If you go in there and you get makeup, skincare, fragrances at Sephora, you can get a sample. So you can get this sample instead of buying the full product. You can get the sample, take it home, use it twice, see if you like it, go back to Sephora and purchase it. So I really like that they give you free samples. You can get a bag full of samples, whatever you want. You can go in, don't have to buy anything, and you can get a sample. As far as their return policy, it has to be 60 days of purchase with the receipt. If you don't have the receipt, they can pull it up by your account. So, speaking of accounts, at Sephora, when they ask you, are you a beauty insider, I would suggest you sign up. Because the more you go to Sephora, those points add up. So when the points add up, you'll get free stuff. I went to Sephora yesterday and I got something for free, and I'll show you what I got. Alright, so since I'm a beauty insider, I get points on a daily. You can get 100 points, 500 points, and then you can start accumulating all those points and you can get free stuff. So yesterday when I went to Sephora, I am a beauty insider, so I did receive this. And it is the Clinique. It comes with a mascara with a primer. It comes with a chubby stick, which is a lip chap. It comes with a Moisture Surge face spray, and it also comes with a Moisture 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator cream for your face. So I got this for free. I spent $50 in Sephora and I got this for free. So I didn't have to buy any mascara from Sephora because it came in here, or any lip chap because it came in here. So I would suggest, if you aren't a beauty insider, become a beauty insider, especially if you shop at Sephora. Also, I do want to inform you on a couple of offers that Sephora have. Sephora offers 15-minute mini makeovers. If you don't know, now you know. You can get the mini makeovers on just a part of your face. So you can do the smoky eye, foundation, eyeliner, different things like that, and they'll basically go through with you what they're doing and telling you how to do it. So you can get a mini makeover. So So I can go with a bare face, or I can go with a full face with no makeup on my eyes and get a 15-minute makeover. And this is for free on your eyes or foundation or things like that. If you purchase a $50 gift card, you can schedule for a free makeover, which is a full face makeover. Alright, so the next beauty secret that I am going to inform you all about is going to be the Ulta Beauty return policy. That return policy is 60 days with an account if you don't have a receipt. If you are going to use the product, you only can use 20% of the product in order to get the exchange or the refund. Ulta Beauty is really, really good at exchanging that for you or getting you that refund. And the last beauty secret that I am going to mention to you today is going to be MAC. A lot of people like MAC. I like MAC. It's okay. MAC return policy is a little bit different than all the other policies that I've mentioned. MAC return policy is 30 days with the receipt. So you have up to 30 days to return that item for a full refund or an exchange. But the perk is the 6 empties. If you have 6 empty bottles of MAC products, whether it be foundation, lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow, eye makeup, if you have 6 empty bottles from MAC, you can take those 6 empty bottles to MAC and they will give you a free lipstick, a free eyeshadow, or a free lip gloss. And you can take up to 24 empties. That means if you take 24 empty bottles to MAC, you can get 4 things for free. You can get 2 lip glosses, 1 eyeshadow, 1 lipstick. You can get 2 lipsticks, 1 eyeshadow, 1 lip gloss. It doesn't matter. But if you take 24 empties to MAC, you are going to get things for free. So these are the things that you can do in order to get free products, not have your stash, your product stash build up with things that you don't use. Also, free. I love free. I know you love free. So if you think that this video was informative, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos about this or about my natural hair, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I do want to let you know that this is day 3 hair. If you can see, the definition in this is still flawless. This is day 3 hair. So if you want to know how I keep my hair this way for 3 days or more, please comment that down below. If you want to see any other videos, just let me know and I am here for it. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching.